Hey guys, welcome to Geeta's Kitchen. Today I'm going to share the recipe of how to make a vegan salad under 5 minutes at your home. So for this recipe, what you need, here I have some fresh lettuce and into this I'm going to add some chopped tomatoes. So after adding the chopped tomatoes, here I added some boiled chickpeas into this, and I'm going to make vegan sauce for this. So now I'm going to make the sauce for the salad. So here I'm adding 2 tablespoons of peanut butter. So I added 1 tablespoon and I'm going to add another 1 tablespoon. So after adding the peanut butter, I'm going to add some fresh lime juice into this. Remove the seed, guys. So after adding the fresh lime juice, I'm going to remove the seed. And in this, I'm adding some dates. It gives the sweetness in the salad. So if you have a seed, please remove the seed from the dates. And I'm going to add a little bit of water. So I added a little bit of water into this to make a smooth paste of this. So I make a smooth paste of this and I'm going to add this one into the salad. So in this, I'm going to add some fresh seed. So this is mixed seed, guys. Papaya seed, watermelon seed, all the seeds. So I'm adding some seeds into this. It gives the crunchiness in the salad. If you want to add peanut, you can add peanut also. So in this, I'm adding some salt. Don't add too much salt because in salad, we have to add only little bit of salt. And I'm going to add some fresh olive oil. I'm adding some olive oil into this. And I'm going to mix all these things together, guys. And my salad is ready. So my salad is ready, guys. And you can add any veggies up to your choice, like cucumber, onion. Even you can add apple also. It gives the sweetness in the salad. So yeah, so this is a quick video of how to make peanut butter salad at your home. See you soon in my another cooking video. If you like this video, please hit the like button and please subscribe my channel, and thanks for watching. Bye.